Hello, this is John Piper with the weekend video on Saturday the 22nd of August. Starting Bitcoin as usual. We've got a big 1, 2 or 3,000 odd with the wave 2 triangle. Then we've got the 5 waves up. We've now got quite a big correction coming in. It looks bigger actually than it should be for this last 5 waves up. So it could be that we're correcting the whole move perhaps, which would be more positive in the medium term, a little bit less positive in the shorter term. We had the sharp A wave decline, ABC B wave, which made a new high, so that makes it an irregular correction. And I'm now looking for this to become a 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I would think we're going to go down around the low of this low here. I would think that would sort of be fairly standardised. I mean, it could end up anywhere, I suppose, around these levels. But I think it might be the whole thing. If it is the whole thing, it could be the C wave is something bigger than I'm talking about. But again, the position is certainly positive, right? The pattern is certainly positive at the moment, and it's just a matter of seeing the end of this C wave, which shouldn't take that much longer, I wouldn't have thought. Anyway, let's go on to onto Ethereum. Ethereum has a rather different pattern with 5 waves up to the peak, followed by an A, slightly irregular B, now a C. It's a much smaller move in comparison to Bitcoin, given that the I thought we could treat the peak as here, couldn't we? So that could be the peak with the A, B, and the C, in which case it would look the same. The difference being that we have got this 5 waves up here. So I guess I'm just counting the same pattern in a different way for each market. Remains to be seen how it goes, but I'll still think certainly Bitcoin suggests a move down to the previous low at least. On Ethereum, I mean, that is a valid count in fact. I mean, it is quite a big 4th wave, but there is this 5 waves up to there, so it is quite a reasonable count in fact. Well, just to flash back to the Bitcoin chart, the difference really is that there's no clear 5 here. I mean, there is a sort of 5 there, but it's not terribly clear, whereas on Ethereum it is a very clear 5 and it goes to a new high, so that counts nice as a 5th wave. Doesn't so much on Bitcoin, but it's still certainly possible this is all one big move. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, followed by A, B and a C, which could take us a bit lower. I mean, easily going down to 9.2 perhaps, the lower the wave 4. So there are a few different counts here which need to be considered really, but certainly the wave pattern is clear. We've got the A and the B, so it's just waiting for the C to terminate. It's just where that happens that is the key point. Gold, we're really dancing the same tune. Off the peak around 2080, we've gone down 2075. ABC, but you could count as a 5, but it's 1, 2, 3, bit of a wiggle. Well, it's more of an ABC, I think. A, B, and now the C in formation. This could be an A wave, in fact. We could see a bit of a B wave bounce, another C wave decline. It's looking cleaner than the move on Bitcoin, perhaps. I mean, no irregular peak, although still an obviously an ABC rally, it's a B wave. Anyway, no change of opinion. I think we're going lower, and I think the C equals A around 1800, so that's currently the preferred target for this particular move on gold. And pretty much the same on silver with the ABC, ABC B wave, and the C wave decline. So again, target around 21, based on the pattern where C would equal A. So no real change there either at the moment. So I think certainly it looks like we're going to see, let me rephrase that, the wave pattern suggests we're going to see more declines on cryptos, silver and gold over the next week or two. Well, looking at the DAX, I did say last weekend that as it was a week into expiry, we might see quieter action, or two-way action. I guess we did really, because I think the close was around here on the 14th, is that right? Maybe not, maybe it's a little after that. So closed around here, so we went up, down and then up again to close, not far away from the actual open, so I guess a quiet week in that sense. Fairly active, sort of almost 1500 point range. Has it added to the information we got? We got the 5 waves down from this peak at 13,300 odd. We've got the ABC there, and it just looks like an ABC really. So again, we've got this buying spike here. I think it looks more positive actually right now. It looks like it may well bounce off this decline. I mean, this is a corrective move, so it doesn't necessarily follow, because Obviously, I haven't seen 5 waves down, although it could be an ABC. That's definitely an ABC. So a C wave decline looks likely, but we are seeing, well, a decent buying spike. So let's see how it goes next week. Let's get under a 5-minute chart just quickly to check the shorter term stuff. Well, I was thinking this could be a 5-wave form here, but no real sign of it. I mean, no 1, 2 there would have been perhaps indicative, but just straight up really. 1, 2. I think this could be a 3rd wave, I guess. 1, 2, 3. So it could be that we are actually in the 3rd wave move off this low here. If so, we'll probably start to move quite quickly up on Monday morning. So that's one thing to look out for next week. FTSE, well, ABC to there, ABC to here. Buying spike, but nothing to write home about. But certainly this is an A, a B, and it would suggest a C is to come in, and that would again be a rally next week, and before a bigger decline coming in. Actually, probably in a couple of weeks' time, maybe just as September starts up, or the first week of September, we could see things start to decline, and then maybe accelerate into expiry, which I guess would be the kind of pattern we might expect. I found in the DAX, we saw an ABC down to here. Could be a 1, 2, 3, a 4, possibly a 5. So, I mean, I guess what we're mentioning is a final rally in this phase before we go down again. That would make some kind of sense, I think. So on that basis, all 3 of these equity markets would actually be in harmony. They're going up next week, maybe for 2 weeks, maybe start to slide away for this second big wave of the virus collapse in September, with perhaps an acceleration either after expiry in September or October. I guess October is traditionally the time when you see really fast action. But certainly there's a possible 5 developing here with another week or 2 maybe to complete that move before this decline comes in. And that's all today. If I think it's useful, back to the report on Tuesday for subscribers. Again, it's a really critical time right now, a lot happening, so if you're not a subscriber, you may want to become one, because there are going to be some very big opportunities coming forward. Have a great weekend, thanks for listening, and bye for now.